Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are unboxing my iPad 9th generation. This is a 64GB in the color silver. Now this is actually my first iPad, and when I think about it, I've had tablets but I've never owned an iPad. While I do have other Apple products, I had a few iPhones. I currently have an Apple Watch. I have the iPhone 14. So anyway, I really just wanted the iPad because I just felt like it was just going to be easy as far as working with certain apps. It will make everything seamless. And also on my other tablet that I had, I could not download YouTube, which is really annoying. If I wanted to use the YouTube app, I have to go through the browser to watch YouTube, and then I can't save stuff how I want to save it. So really, I'm going to be really using this iPad really for just organization purposes, but also to help editing, especially when I'm trying to edit stuff that I filmed on my phone, because it will just sync into my iPad and then I can edit it in the editor, which I'll show you guys. Anyway, I did already set up everything. I didn't want to make this a long video. You can watch so many videos and tutorials on how to set up your iPad, whether you're setting up as new or setting up where you transfer your stuff. Now I didn't transfer everything over. I only transferred, I think, my contacts and my photos. Everything else, as far as apps, I just manually added them because I didn't want to transfer over everything from my current phone, because my phone is 128GB and this iPad is 64, and I want to limit as much storage as possible on the iPad. Now I'm just taking you guys through, showing you guys what my screen is currently looking like. Now I took an old photo, wallpaper that I had before, but towards the end of the video I'm going to show you guys how I changed my wallpaper, because I wanted something cuter for my wallpaper. Everything was still new at first when I opened up the app, so kind of I guess was syncing things together. But then my notes kind of just popped back up. Now something cool that I found out that I didn't know about, also I just updated my phone, so I hadn't had the latest iOS 17 update, but you see those three dots on the top. I thought it was cool that you could do full screen, split view, or slide over, which means you can split the screen. I actually used the split screen, and I actually like it. I didn't show you guys, I showed you the slide over. The split screen is cool because if I'm doing one thing on one side and then I'm watching something on the other side, I can do both, which I do like. So that was actually a good feature that was actually useful. Now, this the following day, I got my case. Finally, I was waiting for my case from Amazon. This is by ProCase. Oh, sorry, I didn't even realize I had a thing connected to that, so we're just gonna take it off, act like you guys didn't see that, because you know when I get the cases. But I'll link the one that I got from Amazon. I just got it from Amazon. I am still waiting for my screen protectors, but I was happy that I got my case at least, so that it's at least enclosed and covered. And I just took a photo from whatever was in my photo library as my screen. And then now I'm just adding a couple more apps that I wanted to add to there. So social media apps. I didn't add all my social media. I only added Facebook only because I do use it a lot for other stuff. So I only added that one. Like I said, I didn't want to put too many apps on here. I just wanted to focus on a few apps on the iPad, as opposed to my phone, where I probably have majority of my apps anyway. So yeah, I did that, and then I also uploaded I believe I uploaded Canva earlier yesterday, because this is within 2 days, because again I was waiting for other accessories. And then I'm just adding that. The only other thing that I think I may get is one of those pencils, not from Apple, because everything is more money on Apple, so I'd rather go to Amazon or some other place. Now here I'm just going to, I believe I was looking for something else. I think InShot, that's the editing app that I like to use. So now I'm doing the video editor. Like I said, I like to use InShot on my phone. So my plan is when I edit or I'm trying to film videos on my phone, because sometimes I film my camera, sometimes I don't film my phone, whatever. Anyway, let's get into the iPad wallpaper because I wanted to change it because I wanted to make it cuter. And just bear in mind, I forgot that I changed my camera to full zoom mode, so there's some parts that are super zoomed. I forgot I did that. But anyway, so I initially clicked on unsplash, but I changed my mind. I ended up getting something off of Pinterest, but I didn't want to bore you guys because I was kind of going back and forth, and my Wi-Fi was like lagging, so I didn't want to bore you guys to show you guys. But here's just some other, they had some like basic wallpapers which I didn't really like. I like minimal, but I like color at the same time, if that even makes sense. So like I said, I ended up getting one on Pinterest, and then just decorating that way. And what I didn't know too, I didn't realize my files like tab also transferred over when I transferred my iCloud, but then I forgot iCloud is everything that's in your iCloud. So I think, so everything from like phones, contacts, files, and photos are all, they all transfer over. So which was good though, because when I edit also on my iPad, I can just add the music that's already saved in InShots or in the file folder, which I'm about to show you guys right now. So anyway, the file folder, I went on there, I saved it from Pinterest, and then on the top I just clicked hit what I wanted. As you guys can see, is like this cute kawaii, I hope I'm saying it right, I always feel like I'm saying it wrong, little background with like strawberries looking like fruit looking thing, and that's what I ended up choosing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this iPad unboxing. So I was in Zoom on here, so I didn't get to really show you guys, but pretty much I went into my settings, I went to hit wallpaper, and then I just hit customize, because you get two screens. I customized my home screen, and then this is what I wanted, so I just saved it, and then yeah, and that's how I changed my wallpaper. So lastly, I just want to come back because I did get my screen protector, and I was like, before I edit the video, I was making my last edits, I was like, let me just show you guys. So I got the powered, the glass tempered one. This is a brand that I sometimes get for, honestly they're all similar, but this is a cleaning kit. So this one specifically is for, looks like for cameras, iPads, and like bigger devices, and of course it just has the necessity stuff, so like the wet wipes, which I show you guys, and then they have this dust absorber, but I never use it. I just always just use the wet wipes. As I show you guys, my screen looks really dirty, and I think I show you guys that. So I was happy I finally got the screen protector, so now it won't be like marks on the actual screen. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the thing, and that's what I'm showing you guys, the dust absorber, but I ended up using that, or the guide sticker. I didn't really care for that. As you guys see, I'm just gonna wipe down the screen. I thoroughly wiped it because I had a bunch of like handprint marks and stuff like that for the like past like 2 days of me not having a screen protector. Actually, it's been 4 days since I had a screen protector. How did I survive? Anyway, so now I finally have a screen protector, so I feel more at ease because I have my screen protector, and I also have my case, so everything's good. Now I'm just gonna place my screen protector. Now this is always, I feel like you need a level of concentration to do this. I always feel like I'm about to mess it up, but after playing around with it, I got it, and then I just put it down. Now I hate the air bubbles, that took me forever, and there's still air bubbles, but at this point I really didn't care anymore. I was just like, whatever, because when I turned on my screen I didn't really notice it that much. So yeah, now I'm ending the video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.